Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial on fine-tuning language models. If you're curious about customizing how these models behave or injecting new knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together. So what's fine-tuning? Think of it as giving a language model a specialized makeover. By fine-tuning, you can make it perform specific tasks or understand domain-specific information better. A great example is OpenAI's journey with GPT-4, which they fine-tuned into ChatGPT-4. For instance, DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama 8b is a refined version of Llama 3.18b. It underwent a process called distillation. Essentially, it's using new data to get smarter at reasoning. With Unsloth, you can fine-tune for free on platforms like Colab or Kaggle, and you can even do it locally if you have at least 3 gigabits of VRAM. When you fine-tune a pre-trained model like Llama 3.18b, you unlock a few cool capabilities. Update knowledge. Add in fresh domain-specific information. Customize behavior. Change up the model's tone or response style. Optimize for tasks. Improve how accurately it works for specific scenarios, like analyzing if a headline impacts a company positively or negatively. Think of a fine-tuned model as your specialized assistant. It's designed to do particular tasks more efficiently. If you're just getting started, aim for smaller models like Llama 3.18b. You also have options like LORA. This modifies smaller parts without changing everything. LORA. This allows you to work with larger models but uses fewer resources. For beginners, instruct models are usually a great starting point. They work well with conversation templates and need less data than base models. Let's talk about datasets. The quality of your data is crucial. You'll typically want a format with 2 columns, question and answer pairs. A well-structured dataset can significantly affect your fine-tuned success. You can even generate synthetic data using tools like ChatGPT. Just make sure your dataset is clean and organized for better outcomes. Next, we have hyperparameters. These settings will play a crucial role in how your model performs during training. It's best to start with default settings, adjusting as necessary. Aim for a training loss of around 0.5. If your loss number isn't in that ballpark, you'll want to tweak a few things to get it right. If you're a beginner, the easiest way to get started is to use existing Unsloth notebooks. If you're up for the challenge of installing locally, make sure your setup meets the VRAM requirements. Once you're set with Unsloth, you can dive into fine-tuning. Now it's time for the fun part, training. You'll see some numbers indicating training loss as it progresses. Your goal is to minimize this number. After training, it's essential to evaluate how well the model performs. Interact with it, see if it meets your expectations, and if it doesn't, consider adjusting your dataset or hyperparameters. Once training wraps up, you can run the model. Unsloth also provides faster inference speeds, which is a great bonus. And don't forget to save your fine-tuned model. It's a good idea to keep it as a LORA adapter file, or consider pushing it to platforms like Hugging Face if you want to share it with the community. Congrats! You've successfully fine-tuned a language model. That's a significant achievement. Feel free to explore more about fine-tuning, and don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. Thanks for watching.